Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is organizational level security. Organizational level security keeps a list of authorized users for your entire organization, set password policies and restrict logins to specific hours and locations. It refers to the overall system that your organization has in place for securing its Salesforce environment. At its most basic, this means stopping unauthorized users accessing your organization. Navigation for login access policies and password policies. Setup, settings, security, login access policies. Setup, settings, security, password policies. Managing password policies, length, special characters and time. Restricting IP ranges, we can do this one. Restricting login hours, we can restrict with login hours. Restricting email domain means if a company having abc.com, so by this also we can restrict. So log in to our Salesforce account to see the navigation. So after clicking on setup, under settings there is security, expand it. Login access policies, manage support options. So administrator can log in as any user. If we are enabling this checkbox, so administrator can log in with any account. Next one is password policies. So again we need to click on setup. Under settings there is security, password policies, click on this. So from here set the password restrictions and login logout policies for all users. So as critical as we can make from here. Use password expires in 90 days. Enforce password history, 3 password remembered. Minimum password length 8, 15, 10, 12. We can go with our numbers. Password complexity requirement must include alpha and numeric characters. We can also modify this. Password quotient remember cannot contain password, none. We can go with anyone. Maximum invalid login attempts, that is 3, 5, 10 or no limit. We can go with any one of these. Logout effective period is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 or forever. Finally we need to click on save button. Also organizational level security, we can go with business hours, login IP address. So these all we had seen in our previous sessions. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.